7:15 in the morning. Here with young Will. We're going to try to go south towards the breakers. Had some luck there with a Wahoo 250 in the past. And then head basically north with the drift. Tack back and forth. Beautiful sunrise. See if we can't get into it. Up. No. Let me grab it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Hold that bad wheel. Right there. Good. There he goes. Young Will with the black fin.
John's got another one on here.
Got another one on the dart, on the shotgun. So it's way back there, so we're going to get our work in for it. We haven't even got the whole set out yet. This one seems like the strongest fish so far. We got a guy over here that we need to stay away from. Tight fishing, so we want to stay away from. Amazing, the cheapest lure I got. And this one is the one that's been tagging them all day, so we're actually changing out some of the ones. I was in the process of changing out some of the ones I had. Hey, Feather is the one that's getting them.
Now.
Gotta get them in the boat. Then we can say that.
Got it? You need a hand? There he is.
Yeah, buddy.
Another one on the boat.
So far.
That's a big boy.
Nicely black. These are some of the best sushi. Had a pretty good day. We had 10 blackfin all together. We threw one back, we lost one, we got cute with it, and it beat us. Nice size, but all in all, great day on the water. Heading back in, gonna clean some fish, and it's a good time, man. Love fishing in South Florida.